Hello guys, it's me here again with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make thumbnails on your phone. So what you want to do is download these two apps called the Pixel Lab and CutCut, and basically you would only need Pixel Lab if you don't want like any like stickers or like outlines of something, but it's really helpful and it makes your thumbnails look way better. And yeah, I'm going to be teaching you how to use both, and yeah, let's get started. So first, what you want to do is click the three buttons right here and do the image size, and you want to switch it to YouTube thumbnail, and it already puts the width and the height for you. And then what you want to do, if you want to use your own background, or you can use the tools right here to make your own. If you want to use the one that you already have from your gallery, you want to use your own, use image from gallery. And what I'm gonna use is this galaxy background that I found on Google. I'm gonna crop it how I want to, and I click the check mark. After, if you want to add a text, it says new text already, then we're gonna click edit, and then you can put whatever you want. I'm gonna name it YouTube thumbnail. After that, you can edit the size, the color. I'll make mine like red so you can read it clearly and it pops out. And I'm gonna switch to font. They have so many font, guys. They have so many great fonts. And then what I like using for my thumbnails is called Chunk5, which is right here, because you know it's like bold and it makes it pop out. And then let's adjust the size right here, make it a little bit smaller so you can read everything. There you go. And then if you want to add some effects, you just have to click on it, and then it'll appear all the things that you can add. You can add 3D effects. I always like adding that. Then you can have some shadows, but you can barely tell because it's a black background. 3D rotate, you can rotate it. It's pretty cool. And perspective and all that. And then if you want to add something to the background, you want to adjust the contrast, brightness, use all these. What I like doing is clicking on this one, and like it changes the colors of the background, which looks really cool. Look at that. Yo, that looks insane. That purple looks insane. The purple bluish. That looks beautiful. So I'm going to keep it like that. And then what you want to do is, after you want to add something, you want to add a picture from your gallery. You can click on the plus icon. And if you want to add a text, you can add text. And then you go to, what you want to do is, if you want to add something from your gallery, you can go add from gallery, and then you can pick whatever you like. Let's say I want this. Let's pick this right here real quick. See, it pops out like that. But let's say you don't want the white, you just want the YouTube, just the YouTube like logo. You can just delete it, and that's why the other app is for. It cuts it for you. So you wanna just go on the app, and then you put cut out. Press the cutout button, and then you can cut out whatever you like. Which I'm gonna do this amazing emoji, which I'm gonna do a demo here. Just click on it right here, and it's loading. So I just press that back button, the backspace. Oh, my bad. So to zoom in, guys, you have to use both of your fingers. You have to have both of your fingers, or else I just start outlining. I just start outlining, which I'm just trying to zoom it in right here. And then you have to have it on. You can erase or cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it first, and if there's some imperfections that I don't like, I can just use the eraser to erase the things that it outlined, cause it outlines it for you, like the colors that match. There you go, guys. That's a pretty good outline. But let's say I don't want none of these things right here at the bottom. You click the erase button, and you can erase it. What you don't want on the outline. You have to be steady with this tool. And then you go to next if you are satisfied with the results, and you can, let's say, like, I don't like this little part that I left right here. You can go back with that tool and fill it in. There you go. Let me erase something right here real quick. Go. I think that looks pretty good, guys. So what you want to do is click next. And it looks pretty good. I like how it looks. Then you want to click the check mark and then save. After you click save, it should be in your gallery already, and then you can go back to the Pixel Lab. And let me just do that real quick. So I just saved it. I'm gonna go back to the Pixel Lab app, and then you can go to add from gallery. It should be right there, and then you can adjust it to make this a little bit smaller, and the background should just be invisible. The checkerboard background is no longer there, and it's just an emoji. Yep, there you go, guys. See, looks way better. And yeah, amazing, huh? Well, guys, and then if when you're done and you're satisfied how it looks like, you just go to export image, save to gallery, right there, and then it should save it to your gallery already. Then what you want to do is, if you want to change it on your phone, if you want to change the thumbnail on your phone, just go to YouTube app and then go click on the video that you'd like to change the thumbnail, and you edit thumbnail and then change right there. And you just click on the one you like and select, and then there you go, you have your new thumbnail. Good thumbnail just made on your phone, and that's how you do it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more.